today we are doing conspiracy theory. First, the most famous, if I would say, theory, the fridge doors. Now let's jump into this really common stuff and then some really unknown stuff. So, a very common theory is that if you add all of the fridge trapdoors into a specific shape, they will make a star. But the fifth point is missing, and that fifth point is somewhere up here in Mystic Valley. Now, people have glitched into Mystic Valley and been to the point where the fridge door is supposed to be, but all there is a big lake. From gathering evidence, it is possible that Garnock could have been held prisoner in this lake. Or, I don't know, Darkhole could have been making a portal. But one thing is that I've noticed, there is another symbol on the door. If you follow it out, G E D GED. Whoa, that was cool. Okay, so what I think is happening is GED has got mixed up in Darkhole business and is trying to dig to Pandoria or to free Garnock. You can hear, if you select the video, if you take the recordings and make them faster or slow them down, you can hear men screaming and heavy breathing. And what else is funny that I can't explain is the same noise plays at the UFO crash site here, where one of the points of the star is. Coincidence? I think not. But another theory to back up the mine evidence is that in a quest with Steve, he mentions that he can hear strange mining noises later at night, and a fridge door is actually quite close to Silver Lake here in Vale to Hill and in Moreland, and maybe even quite close with Golden Leaf. But that's not all of my evidence. The fridge doors emit these light at night, and do you know what that looks exactly like? If any of you older players, unlike me, have played Starshine Legacy, there is a portal thingy hang on, let me think how you describe it. Mr. Sands, the video where the Dark Riders come out of the portal, the yellow light is exactly like this one, and if you pause the clip at the right moment, it will look exactly like that. Bit strange, don't you think? Stable have refused to say anything about it and continue to do quests. But there is no quest linking with Mystic Valley or anything that mentions the fridge doors except Steve. So, it's a bit strange. I can see that. But they are actually called hatches, which makes it sound like you can pull it open, I don't know, with this or something, but us players call them fridge doors because, well, they look like fridge doors. So anyways, that's just a little theory for you there. If you have any other information, please tell me. I'll actually drop my pen, because I am really fascinated by this. But I think the theory of the star is the most, like, believable, let's say. Because it even has evidence on the trapdoors themselves. But anyways, just a short video for you guys there. But I hope you enjoyed. And anything else, just please tell me. And also, welcome to the channel. I haven't said anything, we'll just do random Star Stable videos. Anyways, please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.